how to add your phone number to your account on Shopify, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add it to your account. First open your browser, and now once you're here, all you need to do just click on your profile here in top corner, and then click manage account, and here we'll find a phone number, then click add, and select your country code, and then type your phone number here. After that, just type send authentication code, and that's it. Then just click add phone number. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.